Never mind, I'll find someone like you. Hi and welcome to the channel. Firstly, let's look at the chords contained in this song. So you're gonna have the A major, composed of the A, the C sharp, and the E, and the bass note of A. Then you're gonna have the C sharp minor, composed of the G sharp, the C sharp, and the E, and the bass note of C sharp. Then you're gonna have the F sharp minor, composed of the A, the C sharp, and F sharp, and the bass note of F sharp. Then D major, composed of the A, the D, and the F sharp, and the bass note of D. And eventually the E major, composed of the B, the E, and the G sharp, and the bass note of E. As usual, feel free to download the PDF file associated with this song so that you have an even better understanding of the chords. Let's first look at the introduction of this song. So here's the corresponding table for that first section. So take the first chord, A major, and play it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then C sharp minor the same way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the F sharp minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. But if you listen closely to the original song, the first note is an F sharp. So you can also play it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then D major. 1, 2, 3, 4. The whole table should sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you just played the introduction. Now let's look at the verse. And I'm glad to tell you that we're gonna keep the same table and also keeping the same method. So directly with the lyrics, it should sound like this. I heard that you're settled down, that you're found a girl and you're married now. So just repeat the table one more time with the next lyrics. And right after that, you'll have a new table for the pre-chorus. So I will display it to you, and keeping the same method, it'll sound like this. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away, I couldn't fight it. You continue. I'd hoped you'd see my face and that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over. Chorus. And for this new section, you will have a shorter table. So let me display it to you, and keeping the same method, it should sound like this. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish. And you repeat. Nothing but the best for you too. Repeat again. Don't forget me, I beg. I remember you said sometimes you. And you keep repeating this table, so 5 times in total for the first chorus and 4 times for the second chorus. And now comes the second verse, and you will be able to reuse the verse table and repeat it twice. Then you will reach the second pre-chorus and will have alterations within that specific section. So here's the corresponding table. So everything is identical except for the D major. So first D major, 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? So E, F sharp, and G sharp. So let's resume from the second part. I'd hoped you'd see my face and that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over. Chorus. So here I'm only singing excerpts because you will have the entire song in a schematic form tomorrow. So after you play that second chorus by repeating the corresponding table 4 times, you will reach the bridge with a different chord order. So here's the corresponding table, and as you can see, we will have a new set of alterations for that last D major. Let's play and sing. Nothing compares, no worries or cares, regrets and mistakes, there are memories made. Continue. Who would have known how bittersweet this would taste? And now, G sharp, A. You now have all the keys to play this song entirely. I wish you good luck, and I'll see you tomorrow for the entire song. Take care. Bye.